Hello and welcome. My name is Francis. Today we are going to learn how to make glass cleaner. If you are new on this channel, I will encourage you to subscribe and then hit the notification to get updates anytime we upload a new video. If you have subscribed already, we thank you so much. When you are making your glass cleaner, these are the ingredients or chemicals you will need. Cocoa betaine, alcohol, acetic acid, preservative, water. I will leave the measurements of the ingredients in the description box. When you are making your glass cleaner, you first pour your acetic acid in your bowl, you add your cocoa betaine and stuff, you add your alcohol, you add your preservative, and then you add your water. If you want color and fragrance, you can add it. You are done with your glass cleaner. Let's get started. Alcohol, betaine, acetic acid, water.
If you are in Ghana and you went for a training and the training has this video or any of my videos on a pen drive given to you, I don't work with them. So if you do and get any problem, please call them. If you want me to train you, call the number up on your screen. If you need ingredients for this product, call the number below the screen. Thank you.
So we are going to add color to it, and as you see, it's a little bit cloudy. So if you leave it for it to settle, it will become very clear.
Do you like this video? If you like the video, I will encourage you to join my WhatsApp group. Pay only 100 cedis and you'll be added to the group. To learn more about the products, registration, branding and marketing of the product, I will leave the link to the WhatsApp group in the description box. Follow the link to join the WhatsApp group.
preservative. This is how we make the glass cleaner. Like I mentioned earlier, if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification to get updates anytime we upload a new video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for us and also share the video with others. We thank you so much for watching. We will meet again.